The F4 road trip is finally here, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about what exactly it is. But first, let's roll the trailer.
Meet me here, 10 a.m. sharp. Adventure awaits. Roadtrip! You've got to be joking.
This is a story of 4 friends, over 3 weeks, and one common goal: to create the best landscape photography course ever made. Join F4 through the highs and the lows of their incredible journey. Friendships will be tested.
That's it! I'm had enough of this bullshit!
Prepare to be enthralled, inspired, and disgusted, all at the same time.
Oh, what bloody place are you?
These lines lead you beautifully through the landscape to that peak there. That peak is the main subject.
The shutter speed that we choose is going to completely dictate the amount of energy that, the shot has.
The F4 Road Trip. Available now at f4roadtrip.com.
So a lot of you no doubt have already seen both Tom and Gavin's trailers, and some of the questions and concerns that have come in is the fact that people were not expecting to pay money for the course. Now, we realized that everybody wanted to see this course for free. We wanted to give it to you guys for free, but the thing is, we spent a lot of money making this. I know it doesn't look like it, but that beautiful 1979 Kit Companion travel trailer, they don't grow on trees. I had to purchase that, and the amount of fuel that we spent.
I think this is a perfect opportunity for you to explain where all this money's coming from.
What's the average miles per gallon in this vehicle?
About 4.
The fuel costs alone mean that we have to charge something for this course. And I know that right now is kind of a crazy time. Not everybody is going to have the money to invest into something like this. And for that reason, our YouTube channels will still be there. They'll still be free. And that is for the people that don't have money to invest. But for those of you that are investing, keep in mind that you're getting 43 in the field tutorials. You're getting over 30 post-processing tutorials. You're getting 20 hours of content. It's a ton of information. And for that reason, we feel it's a pretty damn good deal. And well, these people seem to be pretty damn happy with their investment. So we're incredibly proud of this project. Hopefully you'll check it out if it's for you. And if it's not for you, fear not. There's more free content coming here on YouTube. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you in the next video.